Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows update error code 0x80004005, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying Windows update error on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here CMD, you're going to right click on it and make sure you run it as administrator, and then you're going to put this code in. I'm going to put this code into the description of the video. You're just going to paste this code here, let it do its thing. After that, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here regedit. Click yes. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to go into HK local machine and then security. And then you're going to scroll down until you find Microsoft. And then you're going to scroll down again. And you're going to go into Windows and then current version. And then you're going to scroll down again. You're going to find the folder called system here. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, click new, and then click dword 32-bit value. And you're going to paste this value here. I'm going to put this value into the description of the video. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to set the value to 1. And then you're going to close regedit and go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up your Windows update and you try to update your Windows, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.